Hey friends, welcome back again to my channel. I am Victoria, local real estate professional in North and South Carolina. Today, I am in McDonough, Georgia, which is located southeast of Atlanta. So before we even get started with today's video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up and also hit that red subscribe button so more people can learn about this channel in Georgia and the Carolinas with ease. So I am in a community called The Registry, which is shared by Dan Ryan Homes. This floor plan that we're going to be viewing right behind us here is called the Isabella 4 to be exact. This Isabella floor plan here, it's a 5-bedroom home, 4 baths, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful, fantastic home. Coming in, we are greeted by this lovely 2-story foyer entrance here. A nice feature or addition of mine is this decorative column here. It just adds a lot more character to this home. And we're gonna walk right over here into this flex space area. The wainscoting, as seen, can be an option in this community. And let's take a look at this decorative wall here, or accent wall. That's another style of wainscoting offered within this community. Let's look at the rest of this home here. Our first stop is going to be the guest suite, which is here on the first floor. Let's check it out together. So this is a very big guest suite, in my opinion. Let's check out the closet space here. I like it. The closet is it's actually extensive. It goes in on either sides there, so that's a plus. And of course, anytime you have a guest suite, you will have that full bath on the same floor. So let's take a look at that together here. So here we have our granite countertop and a walk-in bath. But if you wanted to do like a walk-in shower here, you can absolutely do that. Okay, so let's go and check out this open concept living space area here together. So I'll give you guys a second to kind of just take all of this in. I really love how open this whole space is. It flows right over into the heart of the home, the kitchen. And I really like this breakfast nook area here because it's sections of the living room and the kitchen. Before we head over to the kitchen, however, I want to point out this little work area here that has been built in by the builder. This is a nice addition in case, the flex area we saw up front didn't work fully as an office space. This could be an additional work area or office space. And let's move on over to the kitchen here. Let's start by talking about this island. How grand and lovely is this island? This island, as is here, can sit, I would say, approximately about 6 on either sides here. So it's a very nice and spacious island. Another thing I really like here is the double mounted ovens that we see there. And I'm gonna take you guys over here to look at this pantry space because this is by far one of the biggest pantry spaces I have showcased on this channel. It's almost a whole room on its own. Awesome. Okay, so there you have it on the first level. Let's go upstairs and check out the rest of the home together. As we walk upstairs, we are welcomed by a spacious loft area here. And let's go right on down this suite here. So this is another bedroom here, but this bedroom has its own ensuite bath. So there you are, the bathroom here. And this is the bedroom here. with its own walk-in closet. The second bedroom we're going to check out is right up here. It's also a very nice sized bedroom. I do like the addition of the tray ceiling in this bedroom. And it looks like most of the bedrooms here have their own walk-in closets, which is a plus. And then we have our main hallway bathroom here. I like that the double vanities here are completely separated from the water closet and the shower. And as we go down this hallway, we are visiting the third bedroom that we're gonna see up here. Once again, we have that tray ceiling up here. And also another lovely walk-in closet here. We have our spacious laundry room here as well, with the vinyl flooring. And last but not least, I am so excited to show you guys this owner or primary bedroom, and you'll see why in a second. So this primary bedroom boasts of double vaulted ceilings here. And how grand is this place? This bedroom is, I would say it's as big as the other side of the house as we saw. And then it has its own private sitting area here, which is a great place to just unwind and relax. And I really like that the office or desk option has been added here. If you needed extra workspace, this would be the perfect place to, throw in that extra desk. Let's check out the bathroom here. So with this bathroom, we have our double vanity sinks, our shower and bathtub combo here with our private enclosed water closet. And our walk-in closet here. This walk-in closet is huge. This is I think this is as big as one of the rooms we have seen in this home. There you have it, my friends. Thank you so much for taking a tour of this beautiful model home with me. Once again, we are in McDonough, Georgia, which is southeast of Atlanta. The community we visited here is The Registry by Dan Ryan. This floor plan we visited today, of course, is the Isabella 4. So as always, please be sure to hit that red subscribe button as well as that thumbs up so more people can learn about this channel with ease. Okay guys, as usual, please let me know in the comment section what your favorite part about this home was. I know for me, there are countless things that I really loved about this home. For one is exactly where we are standing. I love the open concept here throughout this entertaining space here. And of course, I love the staircase entry all the way up and the owner's bedroom. Let me know in the comment section what your favorite part was. I look forward to reading it, and I also look forward to seeing you in the next video. I'll see you soon.